Right, so for positions in Afrikaans is posities, and for our purposes we use the cat and the box, and the cat's position related to the box. So, waar is die kat is the basic name that the children understand, because that's the question that I asked them. Right, so for each of these, I am going to ask, waar is die kat? And I'm not going to give the answer. They're supposed to know this by now, but I will add the answer in Afrikaans because obviously they cannot read it. So, waar is die kat? 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 Right, so now I'm changing it up a bit. I'm not just asking waar is die kat and then they say die kat is op die box of die kat is onder die box. Now I'm changing it and I'm asking, there'll be a picture and I'm asking, is the cat is the cat in that specific area that I'm referring to in the question? So for this one, is die kat voor die box? So in this case now, they will answer me, ja, die kat is voor die box. Or if it's not the position of the cat, then they'll say, nee, die kat is nie voor die box nie. But in this case, it is obviously in front of the box. Is die kat tussen die boekse? Is die kat onder die boks? Is die kat agter die boks? Is die kat langs die boks? Is die kat op die boks?